My name is Abdul Wahab. I have 7+ years of experience in Microsoft Dynamics CRM, Power Platform, and Microsoft Dynamics CX. I'm a project manager, team lead, developer, and solution architect in Dynamics Technology Systems. I'm a managing partner in EPM Logics. I'm a freelancer. I adopted my profession as a hobby. I'm actively participating in Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Power Platform communities. You can see me on the list of community stars. So let me try to share. So here's my name, or you can see my LinkedIn profile from here. So this is my LinkedIn profile link, and this is my email address. You can connect me directly on my WhatsApp number. So this is my WhatsApp number. So I'm going to move towards agenda. So this is my today's session agenda. What is Power Pages? Power Pages development in the non-profit industry to facilitate non-profit organization and their partners. So we will discuss one problem statement and we will solve this problem statement using Power Pages in our today's session. So what is the Power Pages? So this is the new product in the Power Platform family. It's really all about website development, external facing. It's built on Power Apps code and infrastructure. So every time when you need an application, so you need to talk about two things. So what are these two things? Let me try to share my visual diagram with you. So one is database. If we talk about the Power Platform perspective, so database is our dataverse, and in Power Platform we have three types of application. One is the model driven, one is the canvas, and one is the Power Page. So these all of applications have different usages. So we in this our today's session, I'm talking about Power Pages. So I'm again in my PowerPoint slides. So this is our example. Our pages development in the non-profit industry to facilitate non-profit organization and their partners. This is our problem statement. So I tried to solve this problem statement a little bit in our this session. So what is the problem statement? A non-profit organization is running orphanages in countries where it does not exist physically. The organization ran into these problems. How can they verify the partner properly? How can they verify the partner properly using funds on orphans? How can they satisfy their donors? For that purpose, I'm going to build a little application on Power Pages. So in our solution, we use these components: sites, websites, page, website, web templates, lists, grids, dashboard, basic forms, table permissions, and web loads. So I'm going to navigate to my account. This is my trial account. So I'm going to share my demo application, and uh, I will show you one feature, and then we will build that feature in this session. So let me try to share. So I'm going to preview my this demo application. So it has two sizes. So I worked only on desktop one. So I built a dashboard on the Power Pages on this website. So basically, the dashboard is telling me the partner has uh, 6 orphans with these stages. So whenever I click on this button, this link, so it will open me all the orphans. So it has the view details link, it has these buttons, it has a create button. So I'm going to tell you how we can build this feature on the Power Pages. So first of all, I'm going to navigate to my home screen. So before that, I think I need to tell you how we can uh, create our account to build these kind of applications. So let me try to share. Using this link, we can build our own account so that we can build similar applications in the Power Pages. So here you can use your organizational account, you can use your school account. Let's jump to the this is my account. So I created this website earlier before starting this session, so we to save some time. So how can I create? I'm going to share my steps. It is loading. I think I don't know why it is taking much time. So these are the templates available out of the box. So I use this template and build a new website on which we are going to build uh, our application. So I created it earlier. So the back button is not working here. So I'm going to open it using my bookmarks. So I'm in my environment. These are my sites. So I'm going to show you the preview of this newly created website. It's loading. It's loading. So let me try to share with the edit button from the edit button. So we need to do more things to see to see the preview for this website. So this is the out of the box. These all pages are out of the box. So we are going to build. We are going to change this user interface to the we are building this dashboard on this website. So here is the edit code button. We need to click on it. So first we are going to start with the hello world. So before I need to log in on and see the changes as an external user. So I need to perform few more steps. So right now you can see here the website is enabled for the private users. I'm going to enable it for the external users, for the public users. So I'm going to set it to public. So I think it will take some time to make it public. So in the meanwhile, we are going to build uh, our hello world. So let me try to Google some H1 tags. I just need to do one thing to see these changes in my website homepage. So my website is now public. I'm going to go to the pages and I just need to click on this sync button. Save it again. So you can see here this changed to the hello world. So after that, we are going to build this dashboard here. So let me try to open let me try to put all of my CSS and code here. And this is how I'm going to pay this PHP. So the important thing that you need to worry about is this part. So this is my entity list. Let me try to share. Let me try to guide you how what are these. First, I'm going to show you the preview of this code of these code changes. So I'm going to sync it here. So as you can see here, because I do not have permissions, so it is not allowing me to, to see the changes, to see this dashboard. So I'm going to open my portal management application to give access to this user. So after that, what I need, I find my contacts. So here, let me try to see what is the user here. Yeah. So I'm going to grant access to my this user. So web authentication. So here I need to grant a web role. Um, yeah, from here. So we have too many websites in our pages. So I am going to select this one. Uh, this one. So this is the administrator, and I also need to link. Let me try to share this first. What is going on behind with the table permissions? So whenever we need to share our website, or we need to share content from our website to any user, so this is the architecture which is basically based on which handling the security. So we have table permissions, read, write, delete, create, append, and append to, and all these table permissions are then bind to the role. So I granted administrator role of my website to my user, to my this user, Muhammad Usman, and then I need to bind table permissions with this role. So here you can see I have created table permission for account. I have created table permission for contact. I have created uh, table permission for the gender, orphan and orphanages. So previously in my this website, um I set all of these, so we cannot see these kind of errors from in this website. So I'm going to share similar security roles to my this user. So I'm starting from the orphans. It is loading. So I need to go to the web roles. So as you can see here, I assign this table permission to my website, which is this one, to my website. This is my website and this is my role. So I also need to add administrator for my current website. So this one. So we need to follow similar steps for the accounts. Is loading. I think you can still. Okay. So let me try to sign this role. So now it's turn contact. I'm going to turn on contact, newspaper, and its website. Gender, web roles, newspaper. I will let it associated orphan. So I need to associate orphanage with my web role. Web roles, administrator. Administrator. My website. Okay, I think all done. Let me try to use my this user power developer. I'm going to assign this role to my power developer user, web roles, web authentication, web roles. So I already granted administrator web role to my this power developer user. So let's start from the website. So I'm going to sync it here. Let's try. Okay, entity list reference not found of star. Okay, so the error I'm all set up with my security. So we need to build. let, let me try to show you the error. So we need the dashboard is asking this entity list in the website, so it is not there in our this website. So we need to build it in our this website. So I'm going to build it here. So let's copy the name. So this is my power portal management. I'm going to go to websites. So these are different websites. So I created this website for this session. So I'm going to create this list. So new list. So here I'm going to give this name. I'm going to select my table. So these all are coming from the Dataverse. And I need to select the view. Let me show you uh, from where the table and the views are coming. Right now I'm just going to so draft orphans. So let me try to show you uh, where this table and views are, from where these components are coming. So I'm going to open actually I'm really I'm going to log into my Power Apps, and then I'm going to the solutions. I really used to use these bookmarks. So here is the solution non-profit organization. So here's the structure which I'm using to build my. This is the database, and this is the user interface. So this is my orphan table. So I created different views here. So this is the view which I configured here. Draft orphans power pages. So let me try to show you. This is the view. So as the purpose of this view to only count the records, so it has only one um, column. So as you can see here, I use this filter to count only draft orphans. So I think after hitting on the save button, it will the one error will be resolved from that website. Let me try to sync it. So as you can see here, it is working now. So here are 4 orphans, and it is showing us similarly 4 4 1. So let me try to show you. Let me try to show you how it is working. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax. This is the liquid language, and this is the syntax. And this is the name of my entity list, which I recently built here. This is the name. And again, this is the syntax. We need to write the logical name of our table, which is we can find it from here. Here it is. So we can copy it from here. Copy logical name. Okay. So this is the view name which I built in my Dataverse. So this is can grab it from here. Yeah, yes, this one. And Using this line, this liquid line, we have total records count. So this is all about HTML only, and this is the syntax. Like HTML, we open this tag, and now we are closing these tags. So this is the entity view, and this is the end of entity list. This is entity view. We are closing this tag. This is all about, this is all liquid language. So I use this uh, href HTML tag to make my this component as a link. So let me try to build all of these list first in my website, and then I'm going to show you how we can make this link uh, workable. So I need to build two more lists here. So I'm copying in, and I'm going to our website again, and then I'm going to create a new list. The name again orphan table. I'm going to select different view, submitted orphans, and click on save. Let me try to show you. So why not? I'm showing you all of these from my website, from my model terminal. So this is my non-profit organization model driven app. I'm going to navigate to fun area. So okay, so I'm not showing my these views in my this application, so I need to show you from the backend, from here. So in the similar way, I created this view with this filter. So it has only 3 records. We will see the same in this website. After creating, let me see whether I save my view or not. I'm going to sync it. Similarly, it is updated. So the last thing is we need to make this list in our website, orphans available. So again, I'm following the same steps. New list. I need to copy this name. It is required here. We will orphan. Grab this view. Available one. I'm going to hit save here. So again, I'm going to show you this view from the backend. So available orphans here. It has only one record. So my dashboard will show you similar. As you can see, we have all of orphans with in different stages. So let me try to show you in the preview as I have set up all the security. So this is my website. So as I need to log in to see the counts, to see the original counts. So sign in. I don't think I'm I'm using this correct user. Okay. So it was the correct user. So let me show you where the username coming. So this is my contacts and this is my Power Developer user which I'm using. So as you can see here, this username I use this username. We can change passwords from here, and I assign administrator role to my this user. So that is why my this user can see all of the changes here. So this is my Power Developer user, and this is my dashboard. So when I click on the link, it will not work because we do not have this page in my this website. It is there, it is there. As you can see, it's working here, but it is not there. So so as we are referencing, as we are opening this link on the click of this button, these links, so we need to build that web page in our this website. I'm going to show you how we can build it here. So again, I'm going to my websites. So this is my website sessions. So I need to build web page. So here's the web page. So it has all of these web pages out of the box available. So we can use one of these web pages, or we can create our new one. So I think it is better to use one from here. So 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 what is this web page if I go to the backend? So I think this one is here. So in the website we can see sub page one here, and then if we go to the portal management, then this is the record is here. So what I need, I can create new page. So let's begin. I think it is better to create a new web page. So I'm creating from here. This is when we do not have power pages. We created web pages from the backend, but right now we can create it directly from here. So I'm going to create it from here. So I need it on my main navigation. I need this page in my main navigation, and I'm selecting this template. Start from the blank, and I'm going to give it a name which is often submitted. So let's give it a different name. So okay, page is added. Yeah. So I need to add list. So I already created these lists and we can see it here, but I need a new list. We can create when we do not have Power Pages, we need to go to that application and then we need to build list. But right now with using Power Pages, I'm creating directly from here. Orphans. I'm going to select my view. So this is my view. Active available orphans. So these are the configuration. We can see it later. I'm going to click on the sync. And as I need the URL of this page, so there are so many things to grab it, but right now I'm using this preview button. Grab this URL. Indeed, here. Let's save and just click on Control plus S, and then I just need to click on this sync button. So whenever I preview it, the link will start working. I think I did something wrong. Let me check my code. Now it is working perfect. Ah, yes, I need to change it from here also. See it again. It will start working. So it will, as you can see here. So I need functionality as we have in our this website. We can. My partner wants to create orphans, so I need this functionality in my this website also. So what I need, I just need to click on. I think I'm on the wrong page. Um, uh, Let me go to the home screen, and then I'm going to my this session website and click on the edit button. So, so I'm on the right website. So I need to add create button. So using this configuration, I can add create button on my this list. So for that purpose, I need these. I have these options. So right now I'm using form, but I do not have any basic form in in my website against the orphan. So I need to build it from the portal management application. So this is my sessions website. I'm going to create a new basic form against the orphan table. So I'm going to say it orphan. So mode is here on insert, orphan insert table. Again, it will show me the available forms which I created in my Dataverse application. So I'm going to show you. So these are my forms, and it is only showing me the main forms. So I'm going to use this form on that basic form. So here I associated a basic form with this my Dataverse form. So I need to sync it to see the changes. Again, I'm going to edit my list and I'm going to open create new button and I'm using form. This is often insert. Okay, and then I need to click on the sync button. And then click on the preview. As you can see here, I can create new orphans now. So let me create one directly here. Alif, area, gender, male, orphanage. I think I need to show you one more thing related to the security. So as you can see here, I can see only 6 orphans. But when I navigate to my application model domain application, so here I can see 8. So why I'm seeing 6 in my this website, and if I log into my model domain app, I can see 8 orphans. So this is all about. I'm going to show you. This loading. This is all about the security. So okay. So I have these partners, and I associated my web portal developer to Baitul Salam Welfare Trust partner. So when I go to the orphanage area, so I can see there are 6 orphanages associated to my this partner. So let me show you uh, how the table permissions is working behind the scene. So let me go to the table permissions. Hmm. I think I need to sync them. Okay, so I am using table permissions by this website. I did not create any table permission here, so I need to show them from here. When I go to the orphans screen and I click on to edit, so as you can see here, I think it is better to show you from manage table permissions. So as you can see here, this orphan permission. So I am there are different access types. So I'm using orphanages. So uh, what I'm trying to say you, so we do not have any partner column on my this orphan table. So we have association of these orphans with orphanages, and we have partner column at the orphan on the orphanages level. So what we are doing here? So I'm saying to my this table permission, follow the table permission for this parent table. So yeah, you can see. So this is why I am seeing only 6 orphans here. So let's think I have only 2 minutes. So let's try to build this link, make it the first column as a link and few buttons from here. So I'm going to my pages.
And Abdul, I just wanted to let you know you just have a few minutes left. So like 5 minutes or something like that.
Okay. So I'm going to finish in few minutes. Okay. So list, edit list and data, view details. So I need one more form. View details, edit form. So let's see whether I can use this form here or not. So I grab all the things. I need view details button, I need edit reports button, and I need search button on the top of it. I'm going to click on the same. So basically I need to create so this form is of type insert, so I need a new form of type read only or of type edit. So I'm going to create and here from edit pages and record type query string. I'm going to create another basic form. For fun. Okay. Orphan, 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 page, beauty string. Bind them to my website. First, I need to sync. Edit list. Then, as this is the view details, so I need to click select read only form. And as this is the edit, so I need to click sync. The preview. As you can see here, the first column is automatically converted to the link in the link. So we can see the details. We can edit the record. So this is how we can build a dashboard on Power Pages, and we can uh, associate it with the list. So I think this is all from my side related to the Power Pages development.